How to turn on or off live notifications on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off Likee live notifications, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee app, click on it. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and click on notifications. Now scroll down, you gonna find live notifications top there. Now, if you turn on, you're gonna get a live notifications. Turn off, now you are not able to get any live from Likee app notifications. I prefer to turn off this option. This if you are like following a lot of big account who do always live, so that's a little bit annoying. So you can turn off this option. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.